I'm bored. What am I gonna do? Ooh. Ooh, maybe I could play a game. I'm bored and sitting right here and it's boring in here. Wow, I love that. Ooh, look at that. Oh, check out that corn dog. My only tastiness. Mmm, that looks delicious. Okay. Wow, that was cool. Boring, 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 boring. Boring, boring, boring. Man, I can even notice that I was having a nice day. Wait, no. No, not that. Ooh, maybe I could have a tea. Maybe I can have some of that. Yummy. Yummy. It's boring in here. So boring. That was great. I think it's probably just the rain. Oh. What the heck? I think it's flooding. I need to bash that door there. Maybe it's might have been a way out. Whoa! I need to bash it. I need to bash this door down. Oh no, it's a flood. Whoa! Come on, bro. Come on, we have to get out of here before the flood spreads in. Maybe I can maybe I can put my phone in my hat so I won't lose it. Come on. Okay. I'm gonna leave my phone anyways. Ah! Okay. Come on, let's get out of here. Okay. Open sesame. Ah! Bro's dead. Oh, I finally got out. Better get out of here quickly. Oh my god, it's a flood coming. I gotta get out of here. It's too late. Wait, bash that door down. Ugh. Are you guys okay? Yep, we are okay. Yep, we're okay. I'm glad you guys are okay. Whoa! Whoa, what the heck? Come on, let's get out of here before the flood is coming. A flood? What do you mean there's a flood there? You won't believe it. There was a flood down there. Oh my! I lost my arm. I lose my arm. I got a regrowth syringe to grow your arm back. Thank God. I still have my... I'm coming. And bash it down. Oh no, it's a flood coming up there. I'm here, guys. What the? Let me out of here. My arm just fell off. Gotta bash it off. Gotta bash this. Uh-oh. Huh? Hey, sir. Oh, hey. What are you doing here in the middle of the sea? My name is Henry, J.R.B. Henry Titan. And also, can you tell me where we are? We're in a ship. And we can help you. There's no need to worry. Oh, thank you. Wait for my friends too. Okay. Oh, finally, I'm on a boat. Bro, it's a ship, bro. Oh, yeah. Oh, finally. Could be okay. Yep, it is. Also, we have. Oh. Also, we have these things lying around. Those are fireworks. So if the ship is sinking, we might just blast them away. So even if the ship is really sinking, we could do is launch them away. Okay, it could be worth it. Okay, so it could be worth it. What happened? I think the ship is about to sink. What do we do? No. Oh no, the ship is about to sink. Detective. Release the fireworks. Uh-oh. Whoa! Oh no, the ship is on fire. Oh no, I am not touching it. I am not touching it. Why not? Because it might just burn me to death. Okay, so don't touch it then. Okay, then don't touch it. And by the way, get out of my face. Sorry. Oh no. Oh no, we're dead. The boat just sunk. How did it explode? I think there's some kind of metal rod just touched it. Just touched the propeller and it finally sunk. How do we get back to land? Let's all swim away. Yeah.